Welcome, and thank you family and friends for being here today at the Watson Ranch to witness this celebration of two beautiful people's love for each other.
Just as free, free as we'll ever be, just as free, free as we'll ever be.
As they share the next decades of their life together, they're going to experience their fair share of ups and downs. But one thing I know about these two is they complete each other perfectly and are happiest when they are together.
Driving to the city lights, dissolve into a country sky, just me and you. Lay underneath the harvest moon, do all the things that lovers do, just me and you. Just as free, free as we'll ever be.
Oh my gosh, you look so amazing.
Free, free as we'll ever be, and ever. Free.
This is a special time of celebration that Dylan and Kayla will long remember. They are thankful you are here today to share in their joy.
Kayla, I give you this ring as a symbol of my love, and that I am choosing to share my life journey with you.
Dylan, I give you this ring as a symbol of my love, and that I am choosing to share my life's journey with you.
All across this
By the power vested in me by the state of California, I now pronounce you husband and wife.
Let's go!
Dylan, you may kiss your bride.
We're 1,000 miles from comfort. We have traveled land and sea. But as long as you are with me, there's no place I'd rather be. I would away forever, exalted in the sea. As long as I am with you, my heart continues to beat. With every step we take, Kyoto to the bay, strolling.
I just want to thank all you guys for coming out tonight, and I'm really happy for you guys. I love you guys.
The batteries. It's a shot in the dark, but I'll make it. No, without it, I hope you can shake me.
First and foremost, I'd like to thank all of you guys who are present here today to come in here and sharing this special day with us.
No place I'd rather be. No, 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 no. No place I'd rather be. No, 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 no. No place I'd rather be. When I am
Hannah
with you,
Montana
there's no
once
place
said,
I'd rather be. Yeah.
"You're a true friend. You're here till the end." Congratulations to Kayla and Dylan Horton.
Yeah, 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 yeah. You gave me a chance, I will take it.
Damn it.
Hi, Grandma.
And shake me when I am with you. There's no place I'd rather be. No, no, no.
Cheers, my motherfucking dears.
All right?
No place I'd rather be. No, 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 no. No place I'd rather be. When I am with you, there's no place I'd rather be. No, 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 no.
Congrats.
and enjoy your night. And I love you guys. Just have fun, make the most of it.
There's no place I'd rather be.